platform as a service.
Have you ever tried installing and configuring servers? It can be an incredibly time-consuming and tedious process, not to mention the ongoing maintenance and updates these servers require. Well, what if I told you there's a solution that could free you from all these hassles? This is where Platform as a Service comes in. PaaS is a cloud computing service model that provides you with a platform allowing you to focus on developing and running your applications without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. It eliminates the need to manage tasks like installing operating systems, setting up databases, or configuring web servers, thus saving you valuable time and resources. This efficiency can lead to better business outcomes and a more streamlined coding process. One of the examples of Azure PaaS offerings, such as Azure Active Directory, Azure App Service, and Azure SQL Database. These Azure services provide development tools, middleware, and business tools that streamline application development and management. On the other hand, AWS Elastic Beanstalk is a PaaS offering from Amazon. It handles deployment details, capacity provisioning, load balancing, and application health monitoring, freeing developers to focus on writing great software. In conclusion, PaaS simplifies application development by eliminating the need for cumbersome server configuration and management. Whether it's Azure or AWS PaaS, offers a wealth of benefits that can help your team create better applications faster. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and leave your questions and comments below. Stay tuned for more cloud computing insights.